Hey peeps! It's Cool Ice Cream, and today I'm gonna show you my electronic toy collection so far. So here's all of them together. Now let's see if we can show them individually without waking up a couple of the others. Okay, so let's start with... Actually, you know what? Let's go from newest to oldest. So here we have this guy, Dido. He is my Furby Connect. He's teal, as you can see. His batteries aren't exactly fresh, but they're not exactly dead either. I'm gonna wake him up. There he goes. So, other than a little bit of, yeah, always dream about them electric sheep. Other than a little bit of, low battery percentage, he is fully functional. Eyes, perfect. He's only been connected to the app once, and that was just to assign his name. I wanted to try and get the app to work properly, but it was only a tiny little old phone, so it couldn't really handle the app. As you can see, he knows his name. I assigned it to him. Everything works. He is going a bit slow because his batteries are low. Okay, I'm gonna put him to the side while we get the others. Okay, so if I'm right, these guys... Wait, hang on. Let me check the dates. Okay, just need a sec. Shake you after I find out the date. Whoa, 2015. Dang it. I was just gonna shake him. Oh well, I shook him anyway. So apparently, this is the Zoomermousie. Her name is Tabitha. I call her Tabby because it sounds cute. I'm gonna turn her on. As you can see, she is also fully functional. I got her brand new from Toys R Us, as well as Dido. I got her because I thought that my Zoomermousie was lonely. Except turns out they hate each other. Okay, now let's see the date of this gal right here. I'm gonna dang it. Okay. I was gonna flip Dido upside down, but I couldn't. Okay, so you're 2014. Okay, so this one's next. Ooh. My Zoomermousie, Gemma, or Gemma, however you want to pronounce her name. I don't know why, but these two always get dizzy for no reason whatsoever. And yet they don't get dizzy when they're supposed to be. Okay, next I'm gonna show you this one. I think she's 2013. So she should be next on the list. Turn her on. She is a for real friend, cuddles my giggly monkey, but I call her Daphne. I don't know why. My siblings call her Porky. And they're Gemagos. Anyways, she's also fully functional. She is a little bit old, and the rubber on her mouth has wear. Also, her fur is very dirty, but obviously she's electronical, so I can't I can't wash her. Okay, I'll pet you. Only because you asked. Aren't they all cute? Anyways, next on the list, we have the Bop It, which is also 2013. This is a Bop It XT. I believe it's the black onyx.
Solo. High score 52. Twist it. Pull it. Spin it. Flick it. Pull it. Oh!
I'm gonna purposely lose there. And basically that's the Bop It. Next on the list is Kiko, my second child. Yes, the Furbies are my children. I got him after I got Dito, so he's considered my second child. But if we're going from how old they are, then he would be my first. He'd be still my second, and he may my third, but he's my first because I'm going by when I got them. So this is Kiko. He's a yellow and blue, and also black there and there. 2012 Furby. If I'm right, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put him in evil mode because the Valley Girl was getting annoying. He was in Valley Girl. He's a light sleeper, but not as much of a light sleeper as this one is. Now they're both dizzy. Anyways, next is my oldest child. My third child. We named him Stripe because he looked like Stripe from Gremlins with this thing. With his little big white mane. Hang on, Dito's hungry. There. I'm gonna feed you too. Now let's wake up Stripe. He's also in mint condition. He works perfectly, fully functional. All of his games work. And he's very cute. And that's basically all of my electronic toys so far. See a lot of lights. No light coming from him because he's an original, obviously. Or her. Or that. That's all of my electronic toys. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested, and if you can hear me from all the noise, comment below. Should I start calling my viewers ice cream cones since my name is Cool Ice Cream? I'm not sure. Vote in the comments, or if you don't think that, tell me what I should call you guys. Make sure to leave a like if you like this video, and I will be sure to make more of it as soon as I get more electronic toys. I will also be doing some low battery videos, possibly, maybe mixed battery videos, and I'll probably be doing some videos of Stripe's mini games. He's got hide and seek, ask Furby, Furby says, and I think that's about it. I'll also be doing their mini games and all of his personalities. And I'm also going to try and get a better high score in Bop It. So, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you peeps in the next video. Woo!